renaming is very important. So if I want to rename a region, for me, I have on Logic the T command is the text tool, and then I can rename it here. So I could say FDM for short form for funky dance moves. Now, if you notice, I've got my project audio bin open. So my key command for that is B on this side, and that's actually this button over here. This window is called the project audio. Notice how I just named that region. You have two levels of names. This is actually the source level of the file. Okay, this is the file's name and this is the region name. Okay, so just take note of that. That can end up being a bit confusing if you don't stay organized with it from the beginning. So just T will get you the text tool. If you're not sure what the name of the tool is and you want to assign one, press Option K to get the key commands tool and just type text tool. And you'll be able to see what exactly is that assigned to. On Ableton, it's Command R. So Command R, I can change the name here. This is just changing the region. It's not changing it at the sample level.